So much for hopping on my channel. We do a contest every month for something. We pick a winner randomly that likes, comments, and subscribes to every single one of my videos. This month, I have my admin choose them randomly, and you get free access, full access to our lifetime academy. And if you are already a member, then a video chat with me, and we can lay out a trading plan for you, and I can help take your game to the next level. So like, comment, and subscribe to every video that you can this month, and hopefully you'll be the winner and enjoy the next video. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a weekly Outlook video. Check this out. Got this guy. Say hi, buddy. Look how big he is. His name's Yoshi. He's a beast. Okay. So, yeah, this weekly Outlook video, let's take a look. I dropped a bunch of pairs into the VIP group. So I'm just chilling out here with the animals and looking forward to another great week. The vibe in the VIP group is amazing right now. So let's keep it going, everybody. I don't know what to say. I don't want to do a huge intro because I got a bunch of pairs to cover. So let's get right into it. But please like, comment, subscribe, and, you know, come be a part of our awesome family of traders. Learn how to trade and learn the same strategies that I do every single day. The reason they work for me is I've just been doing them for a long time. So if you're willing to put in the effort, I'm telling you though, they will work for you if you're willing to put in the time, dedication, and it takes time to learn how to do this for sure. So all right, got the animals out of here. So let me share my screen with you. Go. Awesome. So looking at dollar CAD here. So this is a pretty interesting trade. We were in and out of it last week, and we're at a big juncture here, I guess you would say. But I think that it's going to be interesting. I still think and really like where we are right now, but I hope to see it going to the downside here. But there's like a lot of conflicting messages right now in the market, especially with the dollar. So dollar CAD here is a great example of just how many different messages there are. So basically, you know, like where I put this breakout trend line, if you could judge it like, well, it's already broken out. So if it was from right like here, and then that would mean this was a false breakout, and then we broke down, and now we've broken out, retested. That looks pretty possible. But you know where we're at now, this area, if you zoom in here, has been like really strong resistance, and we've had a really hard time kind of breaking through that level. So definitely we'll see. I mean, let's take a look at some of the other dollar pairs to really get a good look on where we could be going. So here is another great example. It's EURUSD. So we've had some just massive movements going, just big whips up and down here, and now let's see. Okay, so the case could be made. Sorry, I had to pause there. The case could be made that, you know, we're in a breakdown scenario, and this just hasn't quite played out yet for Euro USD. But among all the other dollar pairs, Euro has held up really nicely. So I mean, I think honestly, especially if we break through this level here, we'll get into some bigger. So like 114, maybe not. 114 might be a big target, but I don't think it's impossible. 109. If we go to a daily chart, like, man, I don't think this would be unrealistic to be honest. 113.50, but we just kind of have to break out of this massive like area of just ranging consolidation here. So, but if we go to other pairs like pound dollar, now this looks, I mean, super bullish the dollar. Like the pound just got destroyed across the board at the end of the week last week, but I have this reversal here, because this is from this massive double top that, if you're trading with us back in 2018, 2019, I remember this very clearly, and this massive downtrend that we were in, and then we broke out of it, and looked like we were making some moves to much higher prices, like 140, and then we had this is the when the market sold off with the coronavirus as the catalyst, and then here we are now. So, but we are retesting this. So there's some flies and stuff out here. We are finally retesting the backside of this. So I think we'll find some support here, and I think this could be a really great area for some long-term entries, given that this level holds. So, and I'll take a look at Euro Pound as well as GBPUSD. Dollar Swiss here. One of my trend lines got deleted there, but looks like we're in a nice triangle pattern. And now, so we have GBPUSD, dollar looks super strong there. Euro USD, dollar looks weak. Dollar CAD, it's like maybe. But here on US dollar Swiss, it looks like we're in this triangle consolidation, and that we could go more to the downside again. So, man, it's really, really tough to say. But I think the market will show its hand within the first day or two of the market. So US dollar yen, on the other hand, looks like we could be breaking higher. So yen, last week was a big risk off week. So let's take a look at S&P 500, and this is where we were, right? We were in a huge recovery from the coronavirus, and now we've made a downturn. We didn't break this high. We made a lower high here, and it depends where we make, if we can break above the 61.8, or potentially we've started the next leg lower for one more push before hopefully we rebound, just for the sake of just the economy and getting our lives back together, and for the millions of people without jobs. So, I'm really hoping that we, not necessarily that us moving higher is going to mean the economy's better, because it's really become pretty disconnected, that's for sure. But, it would be a much better sign rather than us just selling off again into oblivion, and because that would be very, very bad. So, but dollar yen, I think we're going higher. If we looked at euro yen, it seemed like this was another false breakdown that we had, and I did a couple videos about this last week. We had this false breakdown area right here, and I think this is going to be a great scenario for buying dips. So lots of more conflicting messages in the market right now. Really, it's hard to just get a big direction of what's going on. Now, this was one of the big movers aside from metals last week was euro yen or euro pound, and this is just a good old-fashioned breakout scenario going on here. So I would like to this kind of look right here is a great is like where you want to buy the dip for sure. Buying the dip is going to be big here. So where can we do that is the question. And are we going to just keep pushing higher to this 38.2, or are we going to turn around and retest these lower levels, which I'm hoping for, because that would create a great buying opportunity. And so that's what I'm really, really playing my cards right for. Now let's take a look at Australian dollar, US dollar. And, it looks like we're breaking down, and dollar's got a lot of strength here. Now, if we go to NZD-USD, we've broken down out of this channel here. So this looks very good for the bullish case for the dollar. So, if you're picking up what I'm putting out there, there's a lot of messaging going back and forth, and it's really not quite clear yet. I think we're going to have to see where the S&P 500 starts off, if we start to rebound and move higher, or if we turn around and turn lower again. I do want to point out NZD JPY, because I think it's a pretty important level of support that we're at. Like, you know, if this holds, it's going to be a great buying opportunity. Now, if we break down from here, say, you know, we get some risk off, and this level breaks down, then that's going to be, man, that's going to be really, really bearish for NZD in general, which would mean NZD USD would be a great sell. And but, you know, if we rebound here, I would be looking to potentially buy Kiwi across the board here. So lots of different ways to look at the market right now. That's why, you know, there's no right or wrong way to approach the market, but it's definitely that's why it's so important, though, to have a game plan going into it. So you know, I think going into tomorrow, today, usually on Sundays, it's like a continuation of where the market left off on Friday. So we'll have to see, but really I'm thinking, you know, Monday, the market will start to show its hand, and then turn around Tuesday, of course, which is my personal favorite day of trading. So let's crush it this week, everybody. Thanks for the awesome vibes in the group, and let's just win. Let's just try to crush it this week. And so if that interests you and you're not in our group yet, click the link below to get started. I will see you in the VIP chat room. All right, everybody. Peace.